This Re/Max Select property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home is a fixer-upper's dream. Located in Shelby, this property offers endless potential for the right investor or DIY enthusiast. The house sustained damage from a tree falling during the recent hurricane, and it's in need of substantial repairs throughout. Cash offers only, due to the condition of the property. Great investment opportunity for the right buyer. Sale must be approved by the court, 10-day upset period. This property is priced to sell quickly, and it's perfect for someone looking to invest in a major renovation project. Don't miss your chance to transform this home into something amazing. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Wisnant at 704-487.